For small or medium-sized business, getting a leg up on the competition can be the difference between simply surviving and thriving. One way of doing this is by embracing virtualization. Many small to medium businesses have used virtualization techniques to great effect, but implementing a change can be difficult and time-consuming. Here are a few questions you should ask before virtualizing your office. Now sure, virtualization does sound fancy and expensive, but if done correctly, it can be of great benefit to your company. The process involves removing your physical equipment and instead running everything on virtual machines. This allows you to reduce expenses on equipment like servers and, depending on your needs, even computers, while also freeing up valuable space in your office. Before you start enjoying these benefits or even beginning the process of virtualization at your company, there are questions you'll need to be prepared to answer. We're going to reveal 3 of the most important ones you should consider. Who will handle the project? Like any massive IT project, who will be overseeing the implementation of the new technology is vital to its success. There will be a lot to consider depending on whether you have an in-house IT department or utilize an IT services provider to take care of your technology. Let's take a brief look at the things you need to think about. IT services provider. A lot of IT service providers can help with the planning and execution of virtualization projects. This is normally a good thing, but make sure to ask a lot of questions in order to get a better understanding of what they do and don't offer. Realistically, they should be able to make recommendations for your specific company and industry that align with your business goals. If you notice a lot of broad generalizations or get pigeonholed to a specific hardware manufacturer, you might consider talking with 1 or 2 other IT providers about your virtualization project. Will you virtualize everything at once or a little at a time? This is a question that takes a lot of small to medium business owners by surprise. Many believe virtualization to be an either-or scenario, but the reality is that you can virtualize as much or as little of your technology as you want. Some businesses who are confident in the technology do it all at once, but a lot of companies take an incremental approach to their virtualization projects. Normally, your answer to this question will come down to who's managing the project and what your budget is. It's not unusual for a business to start by virtualizing a few of their services at a time. This allows you to better see just how the process works and what the benefits are. However, if you're ready for a full-scale office virtualization, then by all means go for it. This will allow you to streamline everything into one project. What about your applications? Before you start the virtualization process, it's good to come up with a list of which applications, if any, you need to be hosted at your premises. Sometimes a company may have 1 or 2 applications that they don't wish to be hosted on virtual servers. This is something you'll want to take into account before the project begins, especially if you're virtualizing all of your servers. There's nothing worse than ditching everything, only to realize afterwards that 1 or more of your applications need to remain on a physical server at your office. We can help your organization turn virtualization into a realization. And if you're impressed by our rhyming skills, well then you should check out our IT project management skills. We can help your business with all of its technology needs. Give North Star a call at 303-747-4024.